Welcome back, my friends, to another episode of Cooked Before Noon. This show is all about giving you game day bites that you can easily make ahead of NFL kickoff so you can watch your favorite team win or lose terribly. But if you follow along and we make this dish together, everybody will feel like a winner. We're going to be putting something together that's quick, easy, and guaranteed to keep you full while the game's on. No stress, no long prep, just a solid game day bite you can make in no time, which are juicy, flavorful turkey burgers. It's a simple twist on turkey burgers that makes it feel like a gourmet burger right at home. Now, before we start prepping, let's put together a shopping list. For this recipe, we're gonna need 1.5 pounds of ground turkey, 4 to 6 ounces of goat cheese, breadcrumbs, olive oil, 1 egg, scallions, salt and pepper. So what you wanna do is grab a bowl. For step 1, we're going to crack an egg. And just like for other recipes, if you're adding more turkey burger meat, just double the recipe. Next, we're gonna add 1.5 pounds of ground turkey. Next is 1/3 of a cup of breadcrumb. I'm gonna do a touch of salt and a touch of pepper. Then you're gonna mix this all together by hand. Then you wanna grab yourself a pan to cook them in. I'm making a decent amount of burgers. I'm going to cook them in the oven. You can saute them or grill them as an alternative option. Depending on how many people you're serving, you want to divide the burgers up into either 4 or 6 equal portions. Before we add them to the pan, you want to add some olive oil. One correction here, I forgot to add the scallions to the bowl to mix them in the turkey burgers. Not a problem, we're just going to add them in right now. And now for my favorite part, we're gonna add the goat cheese. As there's a lot of different flavors of goat cheese out there, I decided to go with something different, which is a fig chili goat cheese. I'm excited. Gonna add a little sweetness, a little spice, and we're gonna add an equal parts of 4 ounces of goat cheese to each of these burgers, right in the middle. And there you have it. Easy turkey burgers, elevated with goat cheese, and all the good stuff. These smell incredible. I can't wait to dive in. It's up to you whether you want to put them on a bun, eat them straight up. Give this a shot this Sunday. Let me know how it goes, especially if you're craving something fresh, but still hearty. And if you had fun today, please like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Enjoy, and we'll see you next week. Cheers.